In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your laptop to your Samsung Smart TV without using a HDMI cable. So first thing that you need to do, once you're on your Smart TV, you need to go ahead and go all the way to the left and then look for here where it says connected devices. Once you're on connected devices, you need to go all the way to the right and you will then see workspace, which you can go ahead and click on. Now once you're in workspace, you can then go ahead and connect it. So to do that, it's going to give you some instructions. This might be different depending on what TV you're on and what version, but you can go to Windows PC and it will give you some instructions. I can go all the way to the right and we can go to the screen sharing instructions. Now we can just follow these instructions. So on your laptop, all you need to do is go to search and type in wireless display, or just type in wireless and then connect to a wireless display should appear here. Now once you're here on this window, you can then scroll down and here where it says connect to a wireless display, you can click on connect. It will then search for your TV providing that it's on. Now you will need to make sure that both your laptop and your TV are connected to the same internet connection. Then you can go ahead and click on your TV once you see it. Once you do that, it then should cast your screen over to your TV. As you can see, it's being mirrored. And if we look here, we can choose if we want to duplicate, extend, or use it as a second screen only. I'm going to go ahead and click duplicate. There you go, we've now casted our laptop to our Samsung Smart TV, and that's what you do.